Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my new house. Welcome to my new studio slash office, but it's more office slash studio, as I do more office than I do more studio. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Anyway, you can see I brought the rocket. Have to bring the rocket. Rocket had to come. I'm not too sure when I'll be able to upload this video, as the internet company has decided it doesn't want to work on my time scale. So we've moved everything here. I still have a few boxes here. So we've moved everything here. We've everything ready set up, and the internet still hasn't been supplied or installed, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I think it's just the internet company being a classic internet company. Just imagine them on their phones and going, yeah, we're going to really do that in time. Anyway, enough of my jibber jabbering. Today's review, we're going to look at it's the XIAOMI, but it's called the Imilab. Now that is a B. To me it looks like a D, but it is Imilab. It's the Imilab N1. It's 1080p outdoor camera. It is rated at IP66, and it does have a swivel motion. And as you can see, it's still in the plastic. I haven't opened it up yet. Now I have this about 4 months. I bought this about 4 months ago, but I was unable to install it in our apartment because obviously I have no outdoor space, and it might look strange me temporarily adding an outdoor camera to an apartment block while the other residents were looking at me. So we're in a house at the moment, and I'm going to install this. But then I can't actually drill into the walls, so I need to come up with a way to attach this. Yeah, I should have thought this out, but I haven't really thought it out, but I will think it out. So yeah. Also, by the time I finish this video, I might have a haircut because I'm due to get one in the next hour. It's all going on. Anyway, okay, let's open this up, and then we'll install it, and then we'll do a quick review, and we'll go through all the bits and bobs. And oh, if you haven't yet subscribed, and this is the kind of video you're after, hit the subscribe button, and further down the line, if you want to hit the like button, hit the like, and I will tell you if this is worth buying or not. Okay, let's crack open this Imilab N1, and let's see what you get inside. Okay, let me just try to find the edge. Give it another slice and dice. Should do it. Okay. Now. Okay. Do you know what? I am the worst person for opening boxes. Oh, it's a slide off. Okay, so slides off. Okay. Now, I was better at this when I was younger. Okay, so let's get it open. Now, alright, first thing we have, let's see, here we are, is some Wi-Fi enabler. Okay. What's this? The little box. Let's say this is the instructions. Okay, so it's the warning sticker, some mounting screws, screwdriver. I mean, I don't think that's gonna mount much. Some stickers. There you go. And another, there's like a ball joint. Pop it out. You can see that. Don't know what that does either. Okay, interesting. Put that aside. Okay, random stickers in here. This looks like the waterproof cabling. So say that goes over the charger part. Then you get so is your charger. May need an adapter for that. And your connector. Okay. Not sure if I have an adapter or not. This is if you want to directly go into the Ethernet, and this is your power cable. So let's have a look at the camera. It's a little smaller than I thought. Okay. You see that? Not the biggest. This is the antenna arms, the swivel. Got the reset button here. Reset button. Camera. What where the USB port is. I might just see what this happens if I take this off. Okay. Okay, you can't take that off. Okay, that's the camera, and let's have a look at the arm. I'm guessing this is the arm. Yeah. Oh, this is right. So this fits in here. I getcha. That screws off. This sits there. I have to read the instructions. Oh, there we go. I know. Like that. Yeah, there you go. Sits in like that. That sits in that. And then where are the pieces? And that sits over that. I think. Yep. Okay, so this is the ball joint. Why does that move it though? Okay, I thought that might. Okay, so it only goes left and right, and you position it then on the wall. Okay, so that's how it sits there like that. So that just clicks in there and then it moves. This is the bit that moves. Okay, so I think that's everything that's in the box. I might be in trouble with that cable, but we'll have a little look and see. Anyway, okay, let's get this connected to the app, and then we will mount it. Okay, so I am up on the rooftop and I have the camera set up on a little tripod. I'll bring you over, and I also have two little dudes over here. Let's have a little look. What's that? Alright lads, keep it down. Trying to shoot a video here. Alright? Giving it all that. Okay, so what I've done, I'm just going to close this door for a second. Okay, so this is how I've done it. You can see I'm attached to a light stand. Just added a few cable ties, not major. The camera. Actually, see this bit? I'll explain more about why I had to tape that up earlier. But yeah, that's the mounting process, because I'm not letting it drill into the walls. This is a rented house. But okay, so this is a temporary solution where I can test it out and see if it's any good before I mount it. So, okay, let me just stick this camera on a tripod and we should start the testing.
Okay, so the first part we're going to test is the left and right buttons function. So this is the camera movement, the pan. There is no tilt option, and you can only do it in portrait mode. You can't do it in landscape, which is annoying. Next, we're going to try the microphone settings on the camera.
Alright, so this is a screen record. This is a voice record. Voice record. Take one, take two. This is a voice record. If you haven't hit the like button, hit it now. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, and you get great practice, great videos like this.
This is a test. This is a test. Hello? Hello?
Right, so moving on to the notifications. This is where if someone steps in front of the camera, you should instantly get a notification on your device. And I'm just going to test how quick it is. So there I am. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Because nothing arrived. This is one of the biggest downfalls of this. I've gone in, now you can see me check the settings again. Monitoring on. Come out of the app. And nothing. Still doesn't send a notification. One of its biggest flaws. But one of its best flaws is the night vision. And I'll show you in a second. But here I am on top of the roof. This was maybe 11 p.m. It's quite dark. You can see how clear everything is. There's a slight delay in movement, but to me it's really impressive, and I'll show you why. Because this is the view that I had. It was the same conditions, there was no extra lights on, nothing. I took this on my phone. Now if you see the details there, the railings, and I'll just show you the previous picture. There you go. I mean, that is crisp, that's quality. It's probably its best feature. Some extra features I didn't mention. It's got 270-degree swivel vision, full HD quality, night vision, two-way voice. It's got cloud or SD storage, AI facial recognition, an audible alarm, and it's waterproof.
I've tested it, I've prodded it, I have got a new haircut, and this is what I can say about the Imilab M21. Probably the same thing I've said about the other XIAOMI products. They're nearly there, like so close to it being there. The negatives I have around it are the setup. You have to have your region as mainland China. You need to have two phones, one with the app while the lady is instructing you in Chinese, and then the other app to record it and translate it into English, because you have to put in a 4-digit code to activate the camera. This took me a good 40 minutes to get the right translation. I was always getting 3 digits, 2 digits, but we got there in the end. That's one negative. Second negative, it's not a tilt camera. It says pan and tilt. It's not a tilt, it's just a pan. Third negative, it is quite flimsy on the 90-degree arm. So wherever you mount it, it will always dip that little bit further down. This is with all the XIAOMI products, the notifications don't pop up if someone walks past, which is the point of having a security camera, in my opinion. If I'm away out for a meal, at work, whatever the situation, I want to know if something has been activated, so I can either call the police or call someone and find out why they're there. Or when you're in landscape mode viewing it, you can't pan left or right, you have to come out of it, which is just a little bit annoying, but that's not the end of the world. Positives. I think there's only one positive, and that's the night vision. The best night vision I've tested, the best. But that's not good enough. It's not very. Yeah, that's really not good enough. I mean, I don't understand why XIAOMI don't put more effort into the European market, to the American markets, wherever there is a customer base for it. People want it. I don't understand why they don't update their app. So many things they could be doing, and they're just nearly there. For such a big company with such potential and such a big market, you would think that they would try and tailor their designs to it, but they don't. But that's just life, as they say. That's the end of today's video. I really appreciate you watching the whole way through, hopefully. If you hit the like button, if you liked it. If you didn't like it, leave me a comment. Tell me what you didn't like. If you have the Imilab, let me know how you get on with it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like how the video is edited, if you don't like it, let me know. These are things I want to work on. I really appreciate it. And if you could hit the subscribe button, appreciate it even more. Have a lovely day, evening, night, whichever, wherever you are. See you in the next one.